people omgabo.
Smart, yes.
And to prepare down to Zambia for interview.
Zambia?
I told you one paper in chance to do an interview, she lies for interview Zambia, so I'm not sure.
Alright, because Zambia, what you going to go 4 o'clock, go to guess or to figure to wait. Zambia.
No, baby, and
I'm not alright.
Abanapanembo mutsakarara and shit after my preparations in the pizza ndikakumutiro geza ndoba nangu kudzoti pepe ndapedza ndachakunza ndapedza ndasale kudisturb since unengo slow shine
Lazi did you jump
my wife
so ati vanhu vakarora mukadzi nemurume vanhu discuss kwa mumba baby so ndakaenda kuZambia ku interview and then zvofamba zvakanaka.
Yes, I know baby.
Sika chikunetsa chi?
Yes, Soko, and that was after bathing, and it to Vanango Mutsa since Uncle Karawanita and Basta and Zanda. What's the problem?
Was alright. 21 day cope. We don't road again. This was Uru White Extends and it's not cheap.
No, babe. You know what? The pharmacy and come on. Yes.
You can't worry, don't have interview with Zambia and it. Ukana basaka kwa choose it as
Ndok phone ya chikuzote ma program akamira senda gani cha phone, right? Wana baby come on. Shinzwa. Ndaisa bank card hapa ndasiyero. Pina ndo galonizi ndauchinja pin. So that unonoze something achikafu.
But last
then I give you a call. Ndasiya bank card baby.
But last so we did na once was fine.
No.
So ndisi sawa kwa ndo ndimai wako. Ndimukadzi wako
achizivisa wakutaurisa unotusumira maybe ndokufonera
Then you're going to want to disturb a pregnancy. I'm going to should be a little disturb the social. Let's go room. This is boss. Who's the woman? I don't know who's so sorry. What's wrong? She's pretty.
That's what I love. So I can ask Maxine Shaki.
What's your
Siku kugeza feka. Ndasitomuka akutobuda.
Sanobenga.
Ndotokene vanhu voenda kuZambia kuinterview.
Zambia nokuuya nhasi kutonzi tatoenda kuZambia.
Saka zvakaoma. Zvakuitira inhamba.
Zvita saka kana ndiye pani kunzwa pani kubatikana nezvaide mukazi.
Kuenderani.
Rukwa.
Ari sikuralasi ere.
Rukwa.
Ikuralasi. Rukwa.